Hey, hey! Welcome back to video number 3. We are going to be talking about 2 amazing awards that you can earn as a brand new consultant when you first hit join, okay, with Sensi. Those 2 awards are going to be Shooting Star and Sensational Star. Excuse me. Okay, so in your join kit, you should have received a consultant hand guide, okay? If for whatever reason you did not get that guide, let's say that you joined on a $15 kit or a $50 kit or a discounted kit, whatever it is, and you did not get an actual tangible consultant hand guide, that's okay. You still have access to it right through your workstation. So you would log into your workstation, and on your search bar, you're going to type in consultant guide like I did right here. Okay, it's going to be the first one that pops up right here. So you can click on it. We're going to view the PDF. I'm going to make it large, and we are going to scroll down. Okay, I highly suggest that every consultant reviews this hand guide. It has so many good tips and pointers on how to start your business, and it can really answer a lot of questions that new consultants have, okay? The video before this was all about the first things first checklist. So if you want more information about that, right over here to the right, that has more information there, okay? But we're going to scroll down, and we are going to talk about Shooting Star. Shooting Star is where you, as a brand new consultant, sell 500 PRV, personal retail volume, in your first 15 days. Essentially, that is $500 in sales in your first 15 days, okay? I know it sounds like a lot. It's not. It's actually very doable. And it really just, if you hit this goal, if you hit this award, it really does kickstart your business and sets you off on an amazing path to success, okay? So what you're going to get if you do hit that Shooting Star award, you're going to have the choice of either a Shooting Star charm or a pin, okay? And you can go on your workstation under your account settings and determine which one you want, okay? You will also have the opportunity to buy the Shooting Star enhancement kit, and if you go into your workstation and type that in, it'll list everything that's in that kit. It has amazing products, y'all, amazing products, and it really is worth the money, okay? Now, the second award that we are going to talk about is Sensational Start. That is in your first 70 days as a consultant, okay? There's 3 different levels you can earn. Each level, you're going to earn more free product credit, more awards for the higher the level that you earn, okay? So right here, I'm not going to read it off to you guys. You can read that yourself, but you see that it tells you exactly what you need to qualify for each level, and then what you're going to earn as the award for, or reward, should I say, for hitting those different levels, okay? So you got this. I promise it's doable. This business is amazing. It really can change your life. So I'm excited for you to be on this journey. See you later.